Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but you guys can tell by the title of the video, we're going to be talking about Jupe token itself. See what is happening with Jupiter and of course what is yet to come. So if you guys do like these Jupiter updates and you want to see a continuation of these updates, guess what? You need to smash that white button, hit that red subscribe button because it lets me know that you guys are interested and I will bring you guys just that. But anyhow, if you're looking at the overall markets, I'm sure if you guys do follow me on a day-to-day basis, you guys know exactly what's happening, but if not, we'll kind of briefly go over as to what we're looking at. So Bitcoin has been seeing quite a bit of volatility, especially after breaking out towards $68,000, but since then you're seeing the price of Bitcoin retesting a little bit, and I've been talking about that because let's face it, we did hear that Mt. Gox news coming out, and that itself is going to really trigger, especially if you have been in the space for quite some years. You know how this market tends to work during a news like this, and you're seeing exactly what I spoke to you guys about 2 to 3 days ago happening for the price of BTC. But let's take it a step further, see what we're looking at right now for Jupiter and what is yet to come. So of course it's no secret at this point, you're looking across the market, a lot of red across the board, but Jupiter is one of the very few coins up 2.5% right now, and that is really nice to see. And also if you're switching it to the weekly time frame, again, one of the very few coins is still up, and you're noticing a little bit of a trend, and the trend that I'm referring to right now is SPL tokens. Jupiter up 7.7%, Solana up 8.4%, and WIF token, of course, if you guys know, is also Solana based meme coin up 11.8%. so you're noticing a little bit of a trend, and it's no secret right now, Solana has been picking traction once again, and obviously that is going to have a positive impact on Solana's overall ecosystem. Massive protocols are also up. You can see this for yourself. Pyth also up right now about 6.3%. Popcat also up 2.7%. So I'm sure you guys are getting an idea as to what I'm really talking about. But if we're looking at the price right now of Jupiter, it's pretty much sitting at $1, just shy of $1, up 2.7% in USD comparative, also up 5.3% in BTC comparative. Market cap at $1.35 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at about 196.9 million. So in the grand scheme of things, Jupiter is looking absolutely amazing right now, considering what is happening with the overall market right now, especially this cool off. And again, this cool off is very much okay. We've been seeing some explosive moves over the course of the last 1.5 to 2 weeks. So we need to remember sometimes the market does kind of retrace before continuing towards the upside. But before we go into any further, guys, as always, just a quick disclaimer for everyone. Anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in cryptocurrency. So I'm sure if you hold Jupiter, that they have a lot going for themselves. Jupiter, the decentralized platform, which is of course Solana aggregator, has been killing it. And I don't use, to be quite frank with you, I don't use any other decentralized platform except Jupiter. It's just the most smoothest decentralized experience that I've ever had in this entire crypto space. Of course, some people are going to come out and say, what about Sui, this and that? No, nothing comes close to Jupiter, and they continue to have major developments coming out from the team itself. And again, shouldn't really be a surprise. And on top of that, Solana, expanding, getting to that mass adoption, Wall Street potential of, seeing Solana being listed there. And of course, we might not see Ethereum right now going crazy. And again, doesn't really surprise me, but if Solana, a coin that has much lower market valuation compared to Ethereum, gets listed on there, I think that can really cause a lot of fireworks, especially what we're noticing with the on-chain data itself. Everything speaks for itself, and of course, the aggregator, which is Jupiter, it's going up with the Solana, overall hype factor. So, Jupiter is going to benefit out of this Solana, upside with the ecosystem, no matter what, because as we know, a lot of meme coin, demand coming in from the Solana chain. And again, most people are going to trade through Jupiter, and a lot of people are farming because they want to earn Jupiter coins. A lot of people are staking, actually. People that did not make the last qualification eligibility for the airdrop, guess what? This time around, what's going to happen is these same exact people, based on the information that I'm reading from the comments, a lot of people actually have bought Jupiter. They believe in it that much, they're staking it to be qualified, and already they're giving so much rewards back to stakeholders. Obviously, if you do hold Jupiter, you know about that, and that's where the excitement part comes into play. if you're looking at BTC right now, let's give it a refresh live to really understand what we're looking at. So, Bitcoin is currently sitting at $64,270. We actually did end up going down to $63,800. I've been speaking about this level for you guys, on the channel, but let's take it one step at a time. It doesn't really surprise me that we're seeing this move, but right now Jupiter is one of the very few coins that actually has stronger momentum against the overall market. What you're looking at Jupiter doing, and again, this is the historic price pattern for Jupiter. You can see, it had an all-time high on April 1st. At almost $2. Yep, you can't make this up. It almost reached $2, and from the April 1st, we are down about 50%, almost 50%. If you want to know the exact number, you are down about 46.63%. So and I'm sure around here, a lot of people were having that regret feeling to not accumulate Jupiter around this range, especially below, the support line, which of course is coming as a major level of resistance right now at $1.14. Well, guess what? You're getting the opportunity again. If you do believe in Jupiter's vision and you did not want to pick it up around $2, well, guess what? The opportunity is here, and this opportunity is, people are taking very good advantage of this opportunity, because let's let this sink in. Just on July 8th, we saw Jupiter wick down to 56.35 cents. Last time we saw the price was back in March. So if anyone, and there must be a lot of people that actually did end up catching this. If you did, guess what? You did see Jupiter go up 91.8%, so almost double. You can't make this up, guys. We saw a significant move towards the downside for, a lot of altcoins because of BTC, of course. But, look at this recovery. Beautiful recovery. The price of Jupiter is trying to break out. I don't even need to go into the hourly time frame to show you this. The price is facing some major key resistance right now. We actually did make our way up to the $1.10 resistance, but of course we were actually not able to break out of the major key resistance or $1.13.8. Kind of going back to April, you can see how many different times we tried to actually break out of here, but it actually never managed to stay above here, and then of course the entire market tumbled out, and we know what happened. But this time around, Jupiter is looking very strong, with the Solana ecosystem obviously expanding, and Solana native token also having really good price action. If that continues, Jupiter is going to follow that. I have no doubts in that. And once we crack past this key resistance, I do believe we could be setting a new monthly high. That would be really nice to see. I don't think that Jupiter's going to have a hard time breaking out of that key resistance. It's only a move of about 15%. Let's see what happens with BTC. If Bitcoin is able to crack back above 70K, I do believe we do reclaim back above that key resistance and start heading towards the $1.31 resistance. That would be very exciting to see. I can't wait to see what Jupiter future holds. I'm very excited about the the season 2 of the airdrop. I'm losing words. I don't think the airdrop, again, speaking about the airdrop, a lot of people, have their own predictions as to how that's going to look like. I personally don't think, we're going to see the airdrop as big as it was last time, because of course last time the allocation of people were way lower compared to what we're seeing now. There's more people farming, so I think the reward is going to be distributed among, more people rather than a smaller amount of people, which of course, will be lower than what we have seen in the past. But let's see what happens. Maybe it will surprise us and everyone gets even a bigger one, but I don't see how that happens. Let me know down below what you guys think. Love each and every one of you guys. If you want to see more Jupiter updates, smash that like button, hit that red subscribe button. We'll see you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.